Jai Gurudev children, today we are going to start voice. This topic is new for you, so understand attentively. Let's start. Voice is that form of transitive verb that shows whether the subject of the sentence is doer of the action or has the action done to it. You have come across the word transitive verb. Verb, you already know what is verb. All action words are verb. Now what do you mean by transitive verb? Study this example. My friend relished the delicious treat. You know, in this sentence the verb is relished. This is an action word. Relished what? The answer to relished is the transitive verb. Relished the delicious treat. What did my friend relish? My friend relished the delicious treat. Okay, so the verb which has some direct object, that verb is called transitive verb. Once again, the verb which has direct object, that verb is called transitive verb. So in order to convert active into passive, we must have subject, verb means transitive verb, and object. These three are essential components of the sentence while converting active into passive. Now, this is an active sentence, and how to convert it into passive? The delicious treat was relished by my friend. If you study this sentence, in this the subject is my friend. Subject is, what is the doer? Who is relishing the delicious treat? My friend. In this sentence, the subject turns out to be the delicious treat. The object comes and in the place of subject, then helping verb followed by third form of the verb by, and the subject comes in the place of object. The delicious treat was relished by my friend. In short, the difference between active and passive voice is the subject is the doer of the action in active voice, and while in passive, the subject is the one on which the action takes place. Action किस पे हुआ है? Delicious treat. The action has been done on the delicious treat. So in passive voice, the subject is that on which the action has been taken place. Now coming to the structure of active and passive, as I told you, subject, verb and object. These are the essential components. These three components have to be there. If any of these three is missing, active passive cannot be possible. Rest of the components like prepositions, adverb, adjective, etc., they are optional. They may or may not be there in the sentence. This is the structure of active voice, and in passive it is object comes in the place of subject, then helping verb, the third form of the verb by, then subject. I hope it is clear. Let us start simple present. You have studied tenses previously. He reads a novel. This is simple present. He, subject, reads, verb is a transitive verb, a novel. What is read by him? A novel. Okay, so subject, transitive verb and object. We all have three components. Then it is possible to convert this sentence into passive. Now object will come in the place of subject, a novel, then helping verb. A novel is a singular, so it will be followed by is. Then third form of the verb, read, read, by, then he turns into him. A novel is read by him. Next, I save a tiger. Again, a tiger comes forward. A tiger is saved, third form of the verb, by me. This is simple present. Now, simple past. You did a good job. Structure is same, everything is same. Just in place of is am are, we are going to use was and were. Was with singular and were with plural. A good job was done by you. Mr. Mehta submitted the project on time. Now we have in this sentence subject, submitted, transitive verb. What submitted? The project, and on time is a adverb. This is, it may or may not be there. So the project was, the object has to come forward. The project was submitted on time by Mr. Mehta. Next, I shall help him. He will be, again the only difference is in the helping verb. Will be helped by me. Rest of the structure is same. The court will interrogate the convict. The convict will be interrogated by the court. Here we have more sentences. Simple present. He opens the door. Subject, transitive verb, object. Now how to convert this into passive? The object will come forward. The door followed by helping verb is, because it's a simple is a present tense. Then third form of the verb, opened by the subject. He changed into him. The door is opened by him. We set the table. The table comes forward. The table is a singular, so it's followed by is. Set, third form, set by us. The table is set by us. She pays a lot of money. A lot of money is, again it's taken as singular, is paid by her. They wear blue shoes. Blue shoes object, they come forward. As blue shoes are plural now, so it is followed by are. Blue shoes are worn, wear ki third form, worn by them. They don't help you. You again taken as plural, you come forward, are not helped by them. Next is simple past. She cooked food. Structure is same, everything is same, just in place of is am are we are going to use was were. Food was cooked by her. The children broke the window pane. The window pane was broken by the children. Rita invited Stella on her birthday party. Stella was invited by Rita on her birthday party. I sold my car. My car was sold by me. He played cricket. Cricket was played by him. Next is simple future. I will drink tea. I subject, will auxiliary or helping verb, drink first form. You know the structure of simple future, will plus first form we use in simple future. Object. Object comes forward, tea will be drunk third form by me. She will accompany me. I will be accompanied by her. They will build a new house. A new house will be built by them. Ashok will cheat you. You shall be cheated by Ashok. A stone will smash the window. The window will be smashed by a stone.